Hello my friends, welcome back. In the first lesson I taught you how to make the most basic stitch that is called single crochet. I hope you had practiced and you feel confident with this stitch. I did by myself a few rows, and the next step is the half double crochet, but this is not what we are going to learn in this tutorial. In this tutorial I was thinking to teach you something that you can do just knowing the single crochet. So if you followed the first video, you should be able to already to do something wearable. And I have here a headband that I made for my son. I already made it, I just need to close it. And I'm going to show you how to start it on this elastic. And then I'm going to show you in the end how to close it here. So, and then you are going to have a nice headband and elastic. Okay, I'm going to do it on a little bit lighter color for it to be easier to follow me. So I wrapped already the yarn around my index finger and I'm keeping the yarn with these two fingers. I think I'm going to show you another way to start. So I remember in the first video I showed you that you can just do like this. Yeah, insert the hook, hold it here and wrap around, hold this here and then just grab the yarn and pass it through. Now I'm going to show you another way. So you wrap the yarn around here, you hold it with these two fingers and then you come with the hook like this and turn it. So you go like this and turn it, and then you put this tail, throw it over. Yeah, it's not very easy to see. You throw it over here, okay, over this one, and then you just hold it here and make the knot. It's the same thing, but yeah. Okay, so I have this this knot, and now I have to bring one of this elastic for the hair, and I put it here, grab the yarn, wrap it around the index, hold here, or no, you don't need to hold here. Now I take the elastic and I'm going to insert the hook inside, and then I'm going to make a regular single crochet. I just need to have the elastic inside. So I grab the yarn and I bring it here, okay, and then I pull through both loops, and now I have the first stitch here. I'm going to make 10 stitches wide. So the next stitch, put it inside here, and actually I'm going to take this tail with me to put it here. I'm going to insert the hook in here, grab it and make the second stitch. I don't want you to get confused. That don't mind the tail. So again, insert the hook here, go and grab the yarn and bring it here, okay, and then pull through both loops. Insert the hook in this elastic, go bring the yarn with you in front, and then pull through. How many we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 5. Insert, grab the yarn, bring it here in front, and then put the hook under and grab it. 5. In, grab the yarn and bring it with you in front, and again. So I have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I think. I'm going to go a little bit faster. 8, 9, and 10. Okay, and now it's just the regular stuff. I chain 1, turn the work, go in here, and I have my first stitch here. Okay, here, insert the hook, grab the yarn. I have 2 loops, pull through. 1, insert here, should be the second. Yeah, grab the yarn, pull through. 2. Next, here, yeah, single crochet. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Yeah, it's a little bit difficult to take the last stitch, but I'm going to do it. And 10. Okay. End of the row. Chain 1, turn the work, and you just do the same thing that you did, what you learned in the first lesson. Single crochet all the way. I have 10. Remember to count them if you are still not confident with which one is the last one. So I'm going to do like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And I was thinking, you see, I didn't make it loose enough, so I have issues. 10. Okay, and I was thinking, because last time I told you that some people are using stitch markers to keep track of first and the last stitch. So I'm going to show you, this is a stitch marker. So I'm going to make chain 1, turn the work, and then I put the first and then I'm going to mark it. And which one is it? So my stitch, this first is this one. You see this little V? This is the first stitch. And then, okay, I should have 10, yeah? Okay, so I just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And then I turn the work, and now I can do the same, yeah? I can do this one, and I'm going to, I don't have it here. Yeah, I have another kind. These are too big for this project. And I can put, so the first double crochet is, the first stitch is this one. Okay, I'm going to mark it. I don't like to use the stitch markers that much, but if you think it's something that helps you, you see. So this is the first stitch in this row, and this was in this row, so I will know that this is the last stitch in this row. So I have one. Let's see if it's if it is like that. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and that's true. So this is the last one, the 10. And then chain 1, turn the work. If it's the method that, if you discover that this is the method that you prefer, you did the first one, put the stitch marker here, and just go with it. Okay, I'm not going to use stitch markers because by now I should see exactly which one is the first, which one is the last. You just go on with this and make, I don't know how many rows, I don't know, but many rows, until you reach, you just measure a little bit your head and you see, I don't know how much I have here, but you need to measure your head and take into account that this is elastic, so probably, yeah, it needs to be a little bit, all this should be a little bit smaller than your head, because you need, when you put it on your head, you need the elastic to be a little bit tensed. Okay, so just measure. And okay, so I show you how to start now, because I'm going to show you how to, and this I need to use another, for this I used another hook. Okay, so after you make many rows, you come back and you do like this. I hope it's easy to see. I could try to make something. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to do like this. I'm going to try to put this under here. Maybe you can see better on the... Okay, so you bring, so you finished the row here and make one chain 1, and let's see how to show you. So now you are supposed to do this one, and just do the single crochet as usual, but take this with you. So put in here, just put in here. No. How am I going to show you? Just, no, put it like this, so that this comes behind. I think it's the easiest way, yeah. So double it and have the elastic behind here. And now you just make sure it doesn't twist. Okay, now you do the regular single crochet, but take the elastic with you. So after putting in here, take this with you too, and make sure it's not twisted. Okay, and now grab here the yarn and pass it through here and this, and then here. So let's see the next stitch. This was the first. It's a little bit difficult, but my son preferred this dark color, so I need to do it. So next stitch, inside, take the elastic with you. So go through the middle of the elastic, pull it here, and now you finish your single crochet. Okay, so go in with the elastic, pull it through, and finish your single crochet. So it's just single crochet. The only thing is that you need to have the elastic here, or you just, now it's easier because you just keep the elastic here and you just pull it and do a regular single crochet, just having the elastic on top here. Okay, so in, grab the yarn, pull it, and through two again. In, grab the yarn, pull it in front, in, grab the yarn, and finish the single crochet. So it's grab it and pull through two, pull one, and then through two, and then I have the last stitch here, and like this, and then just make a chain, cut the thread, and then you just hide the thread somewhere there, and it's done. You actually have a headband that is elastic. Yeah, so if you find it useful, I hope you make one for yourself or make for your friends. And yeah, after this, I think you practiced enough this first stitch. So in the next video we can go on and start learning the next stitch, which is called half double crochet. But until then, I let you practice a little bit more the single crochet. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.